Welcome to Websolvers. I may have found the best AI browser with AI automation tools integrated in it for free. This might be the future of web browsing. If you search AI browser, you will find Opera Neon, Dia browser, Commit browser, Sigma AI browser, and more. In this video, I will show you Commit browser. Commit browser is new AI browser from Perplexity. It is available for Mac, for Windows, and for Android as well. This AI-powered browser comes with AI automation tools, works great even as free version. Let me show you. To use it, go to their website perplexity.ai/commit. Download this free AI browser and install it. It looks like this. One thing that I notice immediately is that it's lightning fast, very responsive. It stores chat history. It shows you latest news. You can create spaces to work with others. You have finance insights here and much more. Now, the best part is its voice understanding capabilities or dictation mode. You do not need to type. Just click mic icon, speak and hit enter. For example, tell me when Lahore temperature will be around 20 degrees Celsius in coming days approximately. And just like that, it thinks, responds, and shows references as well. References or sources. And it's way faster than ChatGPT. Now say this. Where can I buy best headphone in Lahore online? Open website where I can buy headphone. And just like that, it opened a website for me. This is a game changer. I wonder why OpenAI have not implemented their AI into a web browser like this yet. This AI browser can make many daily tasks easier for you. Let's open a website in a new tab in Commit browser. Go to a page. When you browse a website using this browser, you can click Assistant here at the top right. And then you can ask about the opened web page. It will help you find relevant information from the web page fast. So you can use integrated assistant as you browse the web. The AI will help you find content and consume information a lot easier. You can attach files, you can upload files and media here, and you can get answers from bulky PDF files as well. It's got voice mode as well. You can communicate with it. Personally, I'm very impressed with the speed and dictation mode in it. The fact that it can think, research, and open websites at a lightning speed is a big plus point for me. So try this AI browser. I'm using it for free. I'm not on paid plan and it is working great for me. This definitely is the future of web browsing. Browsing with AI. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.